welcome to Vlogmas day 9. Today has been one of those days where I haven't done pretty much anything but work. I had a few orders for my online store and I was fulfilling that, and I haven't done anything Christmassy related, but I do have a lot of things to clean around here because I haven't been on top of the things. So I thought that for today's vlog, you're gonna come with me and clean up this apartment. It's gonna be kind of like a clean with me motivation kind of thing. I knew I was gonna throw one of these during Vlogmas, so here's that video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram to see my stories over there, and make sure to be subscribed to my channel to see more Vlogmas fun. And yeah, let's get to cleaning. I like to start with cleaning my kitchen because it's the first thing that you see when you walk into my apartment, so having it clean makes me feel like everything else is easier to tackle.
Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance.
We're gonna dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
I know I have a huge pile of laundry in the bag. I've been putting it off for way too long, so don't judge me. I decided to put on Disney's Sing Along in the background, and Grace was just loving it so much. I wipe down my island table at least twice a day, and honestly is my favorite part of cleaning my kitchen. Okay, so this big toy mess has been going on for the past few days and I just couldn't take it anymore. So I decided to sit down and finally clear it off. I was finally able to see my couch toy free. And all the toys needed to be sorted in Grace's room. This just looked crazy. I hope I was able to give you a little motivation to clean today. I'll see you tomorrow.